Native to the Andes in Peru, the maca root, commonly referred to as maca, is very similar to the turnip or radish. Many plants cannot withstand the cold weather in the Andes, but maca is quite the exception. Maca has been revered as a superfood for thousands of years because of its ability to aid learning, boost stamina and libido, and enhance fertility. Maca has been classified as an adaptogen, which is a substance that can help the body handle stress. Because excess stress hormones can disrupt the natural function of other organs and systems in the body. Consuming adaptogens has become increasingly popular in the natural health world. To better explore the surprising benefits of maca, let the following entice you. 1. Helps women balance hormones. A 2006 study revealed that maca supplementation helped women naturally balance hormone levels. Postmenopausal women who took 2 grams of maca powder daily showed reduced menopausal symptoms and well-balanced hormones. 2. Boosts energy. Maca has been used to help increase physical stamina for hundreds of years. Science has backed these historical claims by revealing that maca helps to enhance performance and energy during physical exercise, precisely endurance exercise. It also helps to lower oxidative stress. 3. Promotes a healthy sex life. Research has shown that maca has natural libido-boosting properties, and it can take effect in as little as 8 to 12 weeks. Both men and women can benefit from consuming maca on a daily basis. Black and yellow maca may help to increase sperm motility, while red maca may aid the development of healthy embryos, but more research needs to be conducted in those areas. 4. Boosts brain health. For years, Peruvians have been giving maca to children to help improve performance in school. According to a 2011 study, maca, specifically black maca, proved to be beneficial for learning, memory, and concentration. 5. Protects skin from sun damage. When applied directly onto the skin, maca extract may help prevent the skin from being damaged by UV light. In fact, maca extract has been recommended by scientists as a healthier alternative to commercial sunscreens, which are loaded with chemicals that can disrupt hormones and ruin ocean reefs. 6. Relieves osteoarthritis. You may want to start consuming maca tea if you have osteoarthritis because it has properties that can help relieve joint pain and stiffness. According to a 2011 review, consuming 1,500 mg of maca with 300 mg of cat's claw helped to improve joint function while reducing stiffness in those with osteoarthritis. 7. Contains antioxidants. Maca is filled to the brim with nutrients, and generous amounts of them at that. It contains vitamin C, potassium, copper, manganese, B6, and iron. Maca is also rich in powerful antioxidants that work to fight free radicals, which can damage DNA and cause premature aging. Before you try maca, make sure that you check with your medical professional to ensure that you aren't allergic, or that it doesn't negatively interact with medications you might be taking. Researchers suggest that people with autoimmune disorders avoid maca.